Hi, I'm Anna Young. Today we have invited Elise Markwick from Matali McKeag Lawyers to join us today to talk about how Overseas Investment Act will change the investment market in New Zealand. Hi Elise, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good,
Anna?
thanks.
Good.
People have been talking about that the new law will
Yes.
come into effect on the 22nd of October.
Yes.
How will this affect the people overseas?
Okay. This is quite a major change to our legislation in New Zealand. Up till now, overseas buyers have been able to come down to New Zealand and purchase residential property here with no restrictions. There has always been restrictions on buying other land in New Zealand, which is considered sensitive, which is in the whole rural land, but not residential land. So the amendment to the Act is designed just to curb a bit of that demand by the overseas people in New Zealand. We welcome investment, but we don't really want all our residential properties being purchased. So with the change which happens on Monday, next Monday, there will be restrictions on overseas people buying residential and lifestyle properties in New Zealand. And those properties are defined in the district role, the district valuation role. So it's easy to determine what are residential and lifestyle. So if someone is a citizen of New Zealand or a citizen of Australia or Singapore or a permanent resident, then they'll be able to buy here. But there's qualifications with the permanent residency. If you've got permanent residency but you haven't been here for the previous 12 months and 183 days out of that 12-month period, and you're not intending to stay here and you're not a tax resident, then you will need to apply for consent to buy the residential property.
So that's for the individual cases. Of
Individual
like
cases
overseas
and for
person.
whether it's a company or a trust as well, which is essentially controlled by more than 25% by overseas.
If I am overseas company, can I still buy the residential land for my staff who is working in New Zealand?
No, you can't buy the residential land for the staff, but you can rent residential property for up to 5 years.
If I'm a registered company based in New Zealand, but some of my shareholders are from overseas, does this apply to us as well, or?
Yes, it does. So if you've got a New Zealand company and it's more than 25% owned by overseas people, then that will be an overseas person for the purposes of the Act.